Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use dynamic lock on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for dynamic lock in the Windows search bar and click on dynamic lock settings. And in this section, you'll find an option which says allow Windows to lock your device when you're away. Now, when you check this, it will start searching for the paired phone. And if it finds a paired phone, it will connect your computer to it. And after that, whenever you try to pull your phone out of the Bluetooth range of your computer, then the computer will get locked immediately. This is what dynamic lock is, and if you wish to disable it, you can simply uncheck it. But what if you do not have a phone paired? So go to Bluetooth and devices on the list on the left hand side. I have my phone paired here, as you can see. But if you don't have it, then click on add a device, Bluetooth, start searching for it and connect to it. However, in my case, the phone is already connected, so I do not need to do this. And if I wish to disable dynamic lock, then I can simply turn this switch off and dynamic lock is disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.